Hi, you sexy motherfucker.
Today we're just finding the weirdest shit that we found at CES.
We're not going there. We're just going to steal other people's clips. But it's going to be great. There's cool shit.
Do we look like we have money to go to CES?
No.
I could go.
Where is CES?
Isn't it Las Vegas?
Oh, definitely.
Not CES.
Please, donations, please, so we can go to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Just one ticket's needed. We don't need any more than that.
Okay, so CEX. What kind of weird?
X. Wow.
CES. That thing.
Consumer electronics.
Let's see what weird shit we found.
37 inches, but
this
it
is
can
pretty
also
cool.
fold
I like how
into
it just
itself
started
and look like
7
furniture. It's mind-blowing to watch it fold and unfold. Oh, and watch this. When it unfolds fully, the seams completely disappear. Seriously, I can't see anything even up close. That's because the company measures any small gap at the seams and turns up the brightness of nearby LEDs to hide it.
Oh, this
but
is
it's
a
a
cool
whopping $200,000. And if you're wondering who on
Well,
earth
the
would
cool thing
spend
is the
that,
price.
well, their main use case was to put it on your yacht, obviously.
Oh, yeah, on our
color
yachts.
changing
Yeah.
cars like
Yeah.
we've
Yeah.
seen at CES before.
I would have
We
that as the hood ornament of the
color
car.
changing
200 grand though. I'm like, you know, the rich will buy it just because and then you'll have like the businesses will do it just for tax offsets and shit. Well, that's always going to go to. And it'll probably be on Facebook Marketplace for like $1,000 in a year's time.
Probably. More profit.
Look, any new technology in it.
Right, so you do you remember when they did like changing colours on the cars, like
Yeah.
to go away?
What's this?
So like heat reactor.
They've one-upped it.
This is
Watch this.
this is like, but what about RGB for your car?
We
No,
have
what about-
e-ink color changing toilets? Colors added again.
That's a
Why would
toilet.
anyone need this? Now, their RGB toilet, that I could see myself making interesting automations with.
It looks like a mini dishwasher.
My dreams have been made.
Watching for your ass.
Oh yeah, this one's weird as well. So
Finish him.
Ridiculous. Some might even say it looks like a diaper on the guy's face, but it surprised me, and here's why. You know when you're in public and someone's having a loud phone conversation? Skyed it through a muzzle on that person. The device creates a small sound bubble and muffles voices up to 80%. See how quiet he is in the clip?
Yes, because I've always got to have a conversation outside and wear a
I'm gonna say
Face
that's
mask.
what it's for.
yeah.
Who the fuck? No, actually, in fact, some countries they still wear masks. I wonder if it still has like the hygiene bit as well, because I would be surprised for them buying it, like say Japan or Korea, etc. Ones that wear masks.
So it doesn't look like it has a filter. Like they usually have a filter on the outside as well for like
Doesn't have
the
a
proper mask.
I wouldn't imagine it. You should really. That's surely the market they're going to be going for.
Yeah.
No. See, you'll forget about an industry here. Quite a big industry. Insects. You can do your job while walking around.
Yeah, but we can still hear when they talk.
Yeah, but it says 80% of it. So in busy
No,
streets
no,
and stuff like that.
That's 80% of when they talk. 80% of the world is cut out. Yeah. So that whoever is on the end of the phone can hear it like clearly.
Well, there you go. Concentrating. So got the rest of them. Okay, it doesn't work for what our idea was originally, but Muzzle John. Yes, I agree. Hashtag Muzzle John.
Probably can't hear him right now.
He's going to
So
need more
crazy.
like
I
bumper
can actually
space on
see
his
his
car for all these hashtags.
Useful if you want to have a confidential call in public, as long as you don't care what you look like while you're wearing it. This is another product I want. These sunglasses change the tint automatically using a hidden light sensor or with a quick press from your finger. But I really want their new prescription version called Dusk RX. I mean,
Oh man, those glasses. Class on them.
Don't they already exist
Those already
at
exist.
Specsavers?
No, you can already get glasses as prescription that just react to the sun.
Don't they?
Or
What,
the flip-
automatically, like burying it.
Maybe they're just
Yeah,
tints
you can
more.
already get like prescription glasses that basically they just darken when the sun touches them.
I don't know about the rest of you, but I sit on sunglasses like every single time. So now I'll just buy them on like Temu or something for dirt cheap because I break them so often.
Yeah, like you can buy a quality one and it still break.
Yeah.
Ironically, I did that, and then mine have lasted years.
Does that happen?
And then
Yeah,
if
that's-
it's an expensive pair, I'll smash it.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah,
shatter it
Here's
easily.
how it goes. All right.
Yeah.
not this style, but that's all
They
they
look
had
fucking
charged
idiots,
up. Anyways, these are actually the first
Not frame
prescription
terrible.
glasses that adjust the tint electronically. I have prescription sunglasses, but if it gets cloudy or if you enter a parking garage, I have to switch to regular glasses. And I would love to have these automatically adjust all day.
pain is
I also
real.
have open-ear audio and a rechargeable battery that wirelessly charges.
Immediately.
That's without
Yeah,
lots
you-
of TVs.
Like,
But
still
there was
got
one
plenty of
tape
fun,
that
yeah.
stole.
This year, we actually have a new product. It's a see-through TV. Does anyone want one?
You know what I really like my TV? When I can see the wall behind the TV.
Oh, it's that wall that I've got all my hidden cables behind. Brilliant.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
I mean,
So
obviously
there's
it's going to be at the bottom, so you don't see the things. But you could do that with a normal TV anyway.
But we've had the equivalent of a see-through TV forever. It's called a projector.
I think 2024 is basically on Jade in between, isn't it?
Yeah.
So anyway, let's have a look.
Wirelessly charges. That's without lots of TVs, but there was one type that stole the show. Transparent TVs. Something no one asked for, but
suppose I can get
Samsung
it
and
if
LG
they're
are
gonna
making
use
them
it in
anyways.
businesses. It's like-
Samsung showed off a transparent
Windows
micro LED that looked
in their, like, shop or
incredible,
something.
very bright
And
and
the amount of,
extremely
like,
transparent. But they
computer
had another
comes back.
LED display behind it, so it made it difficult to see and capture on camera. Then it broke. Whoops. LG's main display was
Wow, that's fucking.
God, that's good promising. Very bro.
LG OLED TV. I feel like I'm just saying a bunch of letters
TV.
there. Anyways, this is not a concept, but something people can actually buy. And why would you want a transparent TV? That's the question I heard about 50 people say at the booth. Well, when you're not watching something, it looks nicer as it blends into your room or displaying art. Then when you're watching a show, a solid background slides
like you
up
can't
so
see
you
it
can
that
see the
well.
screen like a normal
Yeah.
TV. Okay, that's sweet.
The main benefit of this transparent TV is when you want to use it, it turns into a normal TV.
I reckon it's around 20 grand.
Did you say it's on Amazon now, did it?
I don't know. I doubt it.
Well, on Amazon, it says you can. I'll have a look while you want to.
I reckon it's going to be like 10 grand.
I mean, it just seems pointless to me.
Yeah, because what's it trying to accomplish? Is it trying to be a TV that's not there when you're not looking? Well, we solved that ages ago. You get those cabinets that they just disappear into.
Yeah.
Someone has a better idea.
In the end of the bed.
Yeah.
It just reminds me of like the 3D TVs and how it was just sort of a gimmick that you could just advertise with. So I think it's just an advertising campaign for LG and Samsung. So
Oh, yeah, that's absolutely.
buy our
what-
TVs. Look what we're capable
I've
of.
never used it.
I don't
It's a
think anybody
reputation
has.
thing.
Everyone's had a 3D TV, used it about 10 times for the gimmick bit, and then just use it as a TV.
No, it's 25 grand.
Over the TV.
25 grand for the TV. I said 20, so it's
Well,
not far off what I thought.
Instead of spending that, we can have like 10 really good TVs.
This one's going to be a good one for Jay. That's it.
I don't think
Smart,
it's
fully electric RV. And when I say smart, I mean really smart.
Look, it hitches itself.
Like you tap on the app and it senses, self-positions, and hitches onto your car all by itself.
Yeah, because that's not going to be nicked in like
Honestly,
10 seconds.
That just excites me way too much.
Yeah, I can see it does.
I don't have to bother driving anymore.
Again, the problem would be it's going to cost more than the house.
Worth it.
Okay. I hope you don't mind you moving to an RV.
Yeah, we're selling up.
And then you're living on the side of the
I'm
street.
getting a mortgage for an RV.
Check out
Really
this
bad.
privacy feature on the shower. Very awesome. And yeah, necessary
what
on
most
family
showers have?
vacations. So you
Perfectly
control
fine.
everything.
Privacy thing anyway. By not
Why
using the
did it open in the first place?
I'm going to watch.
You might want to watch TV on it.
Oh, yeah. What if the wall is the TV?
TV while having a shower. Oh, I don't want to shower.
A 1 kilowatt-hour solar panel on top for off-grid living.
What's it 0 to 60?
So this is really fucking sad.
I've seen
Have you
this.
seen it? So
No, it's not.
ChatGPT is now becoming a person. And
Oh, no.
look at the state of that.
I've seen it. I've seen Linus Tech Tips before CES had that. It's literally just a load of smartphones in a fancy cradle.
Everyone watch Terminator.
Is this how it started?
This is how it starts.
There's no need to be afraid of AI.
You know, You're gonna love this. It's a PlayStation. It's a PlayStation car.
Does that mean when you crash it, you can just reset?
That would be ideal. This isn't it. This is a Honda. This is a concept. Yeah, like why would you make a concept that looks like that? I like the front,
I like the front. I prefer. I like the wheel covers
but the rest is just
because
like
they're just like so weird. I like the wheel covers.
It is like everyone's watched the like future films, like cycle films and stuff like that, and that's what they think it's going to be.
yeah.
But they're forcing it because what's been done like digitally years ago.
I think
That's
so.
like, I think it looks like a fridge. It looks like a fridge.
All right, let's get to the actual cool
The
car.
Sony Afeela electric car will actually be available next year, with pre-orders starting this year.
Well,
I
that's
got a
right.
chance to sit in it, and wow, the screens are so intense
Why
in
are they
here.
so
You can
obsessed
take
with these
different themes. You can
half-moon
move.
wheels, steering wheels? Can you imagine? Hold on, just let me turn and park this car.
I actually no, because actually, I think the Tesla ones they've now made it so the slower speed you are, the more it will turn when you just do that. So it'll do like a full lock if you just do that. But then you're at higher speeds, you've got to turn it more. So it adapts. It's
That
actually
doesn't
really
sound like a recipe for disaster.
Yeah, imagine if you sneeze and you accidentally go, whoa!
just magically being a lower speed.
The more electric you add to a car, the more it's going to go wrong. And that just alone, that's having in the front. If you have a crash, every single car, regardless of how light the crash is going to be, it's going to be a write-off. And
All I thought-
all the batteries.
And
that's
like
out the earth.
Have you,
We're all
have you
getting,
ever
like-
had an RC car where it's lost the connection to the control and the steering just goes, that'll be your car. And then your steering wheel stops functioning. It'll just go, no.
See, the thing from this is
scary as hell. I'd face in the car and be like, don't be scared.
Right on the dash, right in front of you. Don't be scared. Why? Your steering is not attached anymore.
I control your destiny. Yeah, some shit.
I'd like to play a game.
See, what I don't get is everyone's banging on about how it's so dangerous, like doing with your phone. Now you've got like the Tesla with a massive fucking screen, and now they're going to try and bring in this as if this isn't a
Your movie
massive
from the
fucking
middle to
distraction.
the passenger side, so it's not
Like,
distracting.
you
while
can play
driving.
games while you're
PlayStation
driving along.
controller to play games because, of course, it can. The only problem I can see with this car, I don't know how to
Did
ever
you
bring
actually
That's
myself
what-
to
go
get out of
back
it
to
and
the
go
look
into
of the
my
game on.
house.
Did you see
There's
that on
also
the
mainly
screen?
Jack
Do you see on the screen? So not only are you driving the car like this, you're now like playing the game. That's blatantly an Android game thing
Yeah,
that's been put on.
The only problem I can see with this car, I don't know how to ever bring myself to get out of it and go into my house. There was also finally Jackery was showing off their solar tent on a truck. It's massive with the 1,000-watt solar panels fully extended, and this takes camping to a whole new level.
Okay, so I've seen like those camper things that you get on the 4x4, and they've just whacked solar panels on it. It's like, yeah, that wouldn't work in this country, would it?
There's no sun.
There's no sun.
I kind of want it though. It's probably like well over like 10 grand just to buy one of them.
The car as well.
No, just for the tent.
The tent
You
thing.
can't already buy them sort of things. You got to do it by put a.
Yeah, but they're
I
like
just can't
2 grand
justify
for
20
those
grand for like a tent.
Staple a pop-up on the top.
Like,
Yeah,
What,
a
some
bit of
fucking stuff?
plywood on top, staple the pop up to that. Job done.
That's what Neil did.
That is exactly what they did. Yeah.
In the world where people got less money, everything's brighter in cars. You think they're going to start buying fucking 10 grand tent?
There are many, many rich, dumb people that would,
Yeah,
yes.
The idea of camping was always meant to be fucking cheap, isn't it? Imagine Chelsea Tower and one of that. Yeah.
Yeah, like you could literally fill a field of solar panels
Yeah,
and
imagine,
have a tent next to it.
imagine wanting to go to a download with a giant RV. What knob would want to do that? You.
I didn't do that.
Just provided you with the opportunity to do it.
Yeah, you didn't want to be with the rest of us council fucking campers. Yeah, day 40. I'm sitting in the car. I missed my Don't
For
worry,
a
Hev. Don't
fortnight!
worry, Hev. Got to bring you Mackies every night.
Sold.
So,
Let's go. Okay, so this.
all right, what the fuck? Can we play the game? What is this?
Oh yeah, let's play what is it first. What
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right,
is it? A fridge, John?
All right, it says pork raw, so it's something to do with animals.
Yep.
A dog fridge.
You know what? Yeah, I could see that.
Is it a dog flat?
Shouldn't have money.
Give me a dog fridge. CES,
Don't
you
repeat
fucked
dog
up.
anymore.
You missed.
Dog stepped up to it. No.
So it's either a dog flap or something where the dog goes up to it and the food is inside.
Fucking shut up, Jason. You fucking know.
Smart doggy door would make your life easier. This is the
Oh,
best
that's
option
so
I've seen so
Yeah.
far. Pop
It's so much bigger.
Yeah.
I didn't even look at the phone next to it, to be clear, but that looked from the original picture, it looked massive. And
Yeah.
yeah. It's going to freeze, that looks stupid.
That's what she
Jason
said.
The first time. Ah.
This is the fucking dog flap.
Port is a motorized pet door that opens and closes when your dog's tag is nearby. So it only opens when your pet approaches
Oh,
for
yeah.
more security. You've
Your
seen
dog's
smart
gonna do
pet
that,
doors at
right.
Cat flaps already have that. I've literally got one. That's ready to use. It does it off the microchip. Like, this is literally not tech.
CES
And why do you
before,
need
but
it for a
none
dog flap?
quite like
Because the dog
this.
flap is basically either going to be the same size as a cat flap, or it's just a giant dog flap.
The problem is, I know what happened, I'll get picked. I'll pick up the dog and I'll be like, come here, Seth, come open the door and I'll try to get through it. No, it's not for me.
Subscribe now to see that.
Fuck yeah. I'll just scroll. I think this is why it's being sold here, because this is meant to be the selling point, right?
Oh,
Are you ready?
It's got a TV as well.
Are you ready?
For security. We've seen smart pet doors at CES before, but none quite like this. That's because it uses your existing pet door and installs as a retrofit solution. This makes it way less of a hassle to install than other options and more affordable.
wait. You must already have a solution and decide to
No, it's good.
spend more money.
It's already got one door, have another door.
Hey, yo, dog.
Stupid people with too much money.
No, I got it. Yo, dog. I heard you like doors. There's a door for your door.
Ow. I think technology is finally getting to the point where it's ran out of ideas.
We've peaked.
Okay.
Turn
And
back
what
now.
happens if the door closes on your pet? Well, I put my arm in to find out, and it doesn't hurt.
Squish.
The Yarbo really stood out because of its modular design.
Sick that
There's a
one looks
lawn-cutting
like.
attachment, one to blow your
Want
leaves,
it.
and even a snowblower
Want it.
attachment. The cameras
I
heat
want
up
it
so
now.
they don't get covered in ice.
Oh,
That
yes.
way they can avoid
That would be
people
perfect
and
for us.
objects.
For the one
I
day a
thought
year.
about it. And it's packed with features like being able to blow the snow in a certain corner so it's not just
It can
making
blow.
this everywhere. You can also cut grass. Some are cute and will probably replace your pet.
What do they
LG,
mean when
an
they said
electric
they'll
autonomous
replace your pet?
excavator that looks like
What will they do with the existing pets?
This thing on the screen will come to collect your cat.
That is a replacement for my pet, the Lala set. Nichols, stop digging the grass up.
like it. Deuce and also had a robotic bartender, but this one had a few mess ups, which required some human help. So maybe robots aren't ready to fully take over just yet.
Do you think the robots mess up on purpose so we don't feel too deflated?
Oh my god, that contrast.
It's like me when I say I need help carrying something. I just want you to feel important.
It works.
See, even, the AI is even like suggesting kamikaze now. Ready yourself.
Double shot.
And then you robot dig a dog or bury your grave in the back garden.
This
Want.
is that. The bloke who was like that was high as fuck.
Want.
It's drone on top of a car.
I want the car.
A drone car, yeah. Oh. That is that. If I was stupid rich, that is what I'd spend my money on.
No. This car, it's almost perfect. All they need to do is lower the blades a bit.
So you can cut people.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that is actually
I miss playing Carmageddon. Touchdown! I stole it. End it now. Close now.
Edit out.
End now. God.
we go.